Replacing your windows is one of the best investments you can make in your home. Whether you're upgrading for energy efficiency, curb appeal, or comfort, proper installation ensures you get the full value of your investment. However, many homeowners in St. James make common mistakes during the process that can lead to frustration, wasted money, or disappointing results. By knowing what to avoid, you can make your window replacement project smooth and successful. Choosing the wrong type of window. One of the most common missteps is not selecting windows that suit your home's style, climate, and lifestyle. For example, double-hung windows are great for ventilation, while picture windows maximize natural light. If you pick solely based on looks or price, you may end up with windows that don't perform as you need. Tip: work with a local window professional in St. James who can guide you toward options that balance design, functionality, and energy performance. Ignoring energy efficiency. St. James homeowners often overlook the long-term benefits of energy-efficient windows. Skipping features like double-pane glass, low E coatings, or proper insulation can cost more in heating and cooling bills over time. Tip: look for Energy Star rated windows to ensure better insulation and reduced utility costs. While the upfront price may be higher, the savings and comfort are well worth it. Focusing only on cost. It's tempting to go with the cheapest option, but window replacement is not an area where cutting corners pays off. Bargain windows may have shorter lifespans, poor performance, and limited warranties. Tip: consider the overall value. Quality materials, proper installation, and reliable warranties will save you from costly repairs or replacements down the line. DIY installation. Without experience, some homeowners try to install windows themselves to save money. Unfortunately, improper installation can lead to air leaks, water damage, or even structural problems. This often results in higher expenses than if you had hired a professional from the start. Tip: unless you have professional experience, trust certified installers in St. James who can ensure your windows are fitted correctly and meet local building codes. Overlooking local climate and conditions. St. James experiences seasonal weather shifts, so choosing windows that aren't suited for the climate is a mistake. For instance, windows with poor insulation may let in drafts during winter, while windows without UV protection can let heat and sunlight damage your interiors in summer. Tip: select windows designed to handle the local climate. This ensures year-round comfort and protection. Not checking contractor credentials. Hiring the wrong contractor is one of the biggest pitfalls in window replacement. Some homeowners fail to check licenses, insurance, or reviews, only to discover hidden fees or shoddy workmanship later. Tip: always research contractors thoroughly. Look for local companies with strong reputations in St. James, read reviews, and ask for proof of licensing and insurance before signing a contract. Forgetting about maintenance and long-term care. Windows aren't a set-it-and-forget-it feature. Choosing a style that's hard to clean or requires constant upkeep can become frustrating over time. Tip: opt for windows with low-maintenance materials like vinyl or fiberglass, and ask your installer about the best care practices to extend their lifespan. Final thoughts: window replacement is a big step toward improving your home in St. James, but it's also a project where small mistakes can have big consequences. By avoiding common pitfalls, like choosing the wrong window type, ignoring energy efficiency, or hiring an unqualified contractor, you can ensure your investment truly pays off. When you plan carefully, work with trusted professionals, and focus on quality, your new windows will add comfort, beauty, and efficiency to your home for decades to come.